Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about IPv6 static routing. So in our theory part we have discussed about IPv6, like what is IPv6, how to configure IPv6 address. Now I have to ping with this network with the help of static route. So in last video we have configured IPv4 static routing. Now we are going to configure IPv6 static routing. So for IPv6 static routing, first we have to go for IPv6 addressing first. So like here you can see that we have the range of IPv6 address 2010, here 2001:10, 2001:20 and 2001:30. So first of all we have to configure this. So after configuration of this we can do the static routing. So 2001:10:1 slash I'm using 112, 2001:10:3 is my default gateway. So I'm choosing 2 here and 112 and gateway is 10.3. Here I'm using 3.1, 30, 112, 112 and gateway should be 30:4 because I'm using 3 PCs. So I just want to give IP address 1, 2 and 3, 4, and at last PC I'm going to configure IPv6 address 30:3 and 30:4 is my gateway. So when you are about to configure router, then just make sure one thing, that you have to use IPv6 unicast routing command, because by default IPv6 routing is disabled on some Cisco routers. So after that you can configure IPv6 address 2001:10:3/112, no shutdown, interface serial, I am using only fast Ethernet, so F0/1, here I am using 20:1, no shutdown. So this is configured. So on second router, FA0/1, so first IPv6 unicast routing, FA0/1 IPv6 address 2001:2/112 and FA0/0 is the IP address for 30:004 because it's the gateway for the LAN 2. Okay, so here you can see now all the IPv6 addresses are configured. Now IPv6 static route time. So command is IPv6 route. First you have to identify the interface prefix / prefix length space next hop IPv6 address. So this is my indirect prefix length and next hop IPv6 address. On router number 2 I have to use IPv6 route 2001:10:/112 space 20:1. Okay, so I don't have to use with the next hop IPv6 address /112. So IPv6 static routing is configured. So to verify this, I'm using show IPv6 route. So in this you can check C stands for connected network, L stands for local and S stands for static. So if static is there, so now you can ping from your command prompt 2001:30:1. So you can check it is pinging from this PC, and first packet is not failed in IPv6 routing because there is no use for ARP, because MAC address and IPv6 address both belongs to hexadecimal. So this is all about IPv6 static routing. Thank you so much.